In this video, I'll show you how to change the title tag on a blog page in Shopify. As you can see in this example, I'm currently on my blog page, which has a title of Espresso Blog, but if you look close at the browser tab, you'll notice that the title tag is Test Blog. As you can see, it doesn't match the blog title, so let's go ahead and update it. At first, log into your Shopify admin account. Once you're inside Dashboard, on the left side of the screen, click on Content, and then select Blog Posts. Now at the top right corner, click on Manage Blogs. On this page, look for your blog. In my case, I only have one. Let's open it. Right in here, look for the search engine listing section and then click on Edit. And here's the page title field. To ensure it matches the blog title, simply highlight all the text within the field, press Delete on the keyboard, and then save the changes. Now wait a few minutes for the changes to update. Then go back to your website and try refreshing the blog page. And as you can see, the title tag Espresso Blog now matches the blog page title. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. For more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.